a name synonymous with construction in Sri Lanka for over 7 decades. Tudawe Brothers Private Limited. Having worked with individual customers, corporate clients, and employers from overseas, we are well aware that every customer's expectations revolve around the following attributes from every project they invest in. Ideal for intended purposes, best value for money, compliance to expected quality standards, timely completion, cost within your construction budget, single point responsibility, professional service, and extended post-contract service. These have now become part of our core values, which we do not compromise on under any circumstance. This is our strength. Try us for your next project and you will enjoy the benefits of offering your project to Tudawe Brothers. 75 years of uninterrupted service as a reputed engineering constructor is a record in the domestic construction industry that cannot be easily emulated by others. During the British colonial era, in spite of the dominance of foreign contractors, our founders, the late Mr. Lawrence D.S. Tudawe and the late Mr. Dionysius D.S. Tudawe, had the vision that the Sri Lankan identity will one day emerge as a force to be reckoned with in the local construction market. Stemming from this vision, they sowed the seed to establish Tudawe Brothers as a partnership in 1942. Commencing small with construction of personalized houses, many of them are still standing strong even today. They never looked back. It was a slow but steady forward march, focused on capability and capacity building, while the next generation acquired academic insight to manage a construction company successfully. The company's growth was unprecedented, and in 1947, it was established as a limited liability company. Soon, Tudawe Brothers Limited became a threat to even the well-established foreign contractors. From personalized houses, the horizon widened in the 1960s, with Tudawe Brothers undertaking the construction of large-scale commercial and industrial projects. In the 80s, there was another significant stride forward when Tudawe Brothers ventured into multi-storied institutional, commercial, factory, and residential buildings. Diversifying into the water supply and drainage sector was yet another milestone reached in the 80s. The 90s saw the company adding another important sector into its portfolio by moving into the infrastructure field of roads and highway projects. Today, Tudawe Brothers is a sought-after name in the domestic construction market for quality engineering solutions, be it a building or civil engineering project. Having understood the importance of a reliable supply chain, the company is now capable of self-supporting all its key activities in the construction sector by operating quarries and producing aggregates, ready-mixed concrete and asphalt concrete for its projects. Surplus production is offered to the industry. Except for a very few highly specialized services required in projects, all other services are provided to customers under one roof by Tudawe Brothers. To facilitate this, many subsidiaries have been established within the Tudawe Group. And this is one reason why the company remains the choice of customers. While presently being managed by the second generation who are professionals in their respective fields, the core values of the organization remain unchanged. Building long-term relationships and trust with the customers beyond contractual obligations have always been the watchword of Tudawe Brothers. With the recent entry of the third generation, modern techniques and ideas are being incorporated to steer the company to the next level to keep pace with the global trends in management. Quality outputs rely totally on quality inputs and processes. Tudawe Brothers do not compromise with this philosophy. Suppliers and subcontractors are carefully screened before selection in terms of the company's quality management system. Qualifications and experience take precedence in human resource selection. Once selected, the gaps observed in the required attributes are filled through training programs. Continual upgrading on technology and construction methodology is offered by sending the employees regularly to refresher and continuous professional development courses, workshops, seminars, presentations, lectures, and similar events. Like in any other business, return on investment plays the key role at Tudawe Brothers too. The company is committed to offer a better tomorrow to the future generation. It is this commitment that compelled the company to adopt management standards accepted internationally. We are in possession of ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2004, and ISO 18001-2007 certificates for our management systems. Another feather in the cap of Tudawe Brothers, the recognition made by the Chartered Institute of Builders, CIOB, UK. Tudawe Brothers is the only Sri Lankan company that has been awarded the status of Chartered Builder by CIOB. Ever since rewarding the contractors for better performance commenced in 1991, Tudawe Brothers have won many awards for excellence in construction, green construction, performance, and engineering. The evaluations are carried out by well-recognized organizations such as the Construction Industry Development Authority, the apex body for construction in Sri Lanka, the Institute of Engineers Sri Lanka, and International Federation of Asian and Western Pacific Contractors Association. We thank you for devoting a few minutes of your valuable time from your busy schedule to learn more about Tudawe Brothers Private Limited.